Hi friends, today I want to tell you about how deep in the ocean does life exist. So we can find so many organisms, creatures, small fishes, big fishes, and water plants, phytoplanktons, corals, etc. in the oceans. So these water plants, phytoplanktons, and all these depends upon photosynthesis process to prepare their food. So, based upon the penetration of sunlight on the ocean surface, we can divide the ocean into two zones. One is photic zone and second one is aphotic zone. Photic zone is the layer where the sunlight penetration is more, and organisms or any fishes living surviving in this layer carry on the process of photosynthesis for the food production, and the depth is 0 to 200 meters. And second one is aphotic zone where there is no sunlight penetration, and organisms depends on other energies. So life often finds a way to survive in extreme conditions. For example, if we take human beings itself as example, there are various types of temperatures on earth, like extreme colds, there we can survive, extreme hot temperatures will be there, and moderate temperatures will be there. Human body is designed in such a way that to adapt any type of conditions, extreme conditions and all. So life always exists in some or the other way in everywhere almost. So a research by the scientists in 1960, uh, named Dan Wallace and Jacques Piccard, they explored the bottom of the Challenger Deep of Mariana Trench. And while exploring, they spotted a small fish at a depth of 8.1 kilometers. Actually, we told the aphotic zone is more than 200, like depth is below 200 meters, and they found they spotted a fish at the depth of 8.1 kilometers. And also, in on July 30th, researchers exploring the Kuril Kamchatka trench, and they found and discovered the deepest known communities of life powered by chemosynthesis, and those communities include various types of worms. So what is this chemosynthesis on which these organisms or communities of life depends upon at that uh, depth of the oceans? Chemosynthesis means it is a process in which, like in which organisms depend on uh, or get energy from chemicals like methane and hydrogen sulfide, etc. So how this methane and hydrogen sulfide accumulated at such a depth of the oceans? So organic matter like plants, dead plants, algae, various organisms get buried underground and get trapped at the uh, deepest layers of the oceans, and form deepest layers of the oceans, and they will be there centuries together and undergo microbial degradation or decomposition by microbes at such a depth, and forms uh, chemical rich fluids, includes methane, hydrogen sulfide, and form gas hydrates in high pressure conditions at the depth of the oceans. So so how these methane and hydrogen sulfide come up means, these will rise with the through the geological vents or cracks in rock layer. So after it come up, the after those gases will come up, or we can call as chemicals when come up, these fishes or organisms use those chemicals like methane and hydrogen sulfide to survive and to prepare the food for themselves. So with this in with the help of this what we call chemosynthesis, These small fishes are communities of life which were found in various researchers have are surviving in such a depths of the ocean. So finally, researchers as scientists understood the potential role of deep sea microbes in the Earth's carbon cycle, storing methane underground instead of letting it escape. This is miracle, I feel, because at that depth also life is still there. So this is what I want to tell you. So if you feel I went somewhere wrong, and if I have missed something, please tell me in the comment box. Thank you.